All right, welcome back to OndaWire. Today we're gonna do another OndaWire tech tip in under 2 minutes. Now, before we get started, if this is your first time to the channel, if you like these tech tips or you like these reviews, hit that subscribe button. Also, I have my own website, OndaWire.com, where I have all the discounts you could want on all your favorite tech gadgets. Now, jumping right in, today's tech tip is going to be on passwords. Now, the frequency of changing your password should really run between 3 and 6 months, but if you're overly protective, you definitely want to change it more than that. For instance, I looked at a couple of my applications today, and I haven't changed a password since 2015. That's how long it's been. Now, I also want to show you here to the right that when you log into some of these applications, this particular app has login sessions for me dating back for almost 2 months. Now, in our minds, we think that when we log out of an application, that login has been erased, but it hasn't. Here's what you want to do with this. First things first, in whatever application you're using, you want to go to your session history, like you can see here, and scroll down to the bottom where it says log out of all sessions. You definitely want to hit that. You also want to change your password if you're using a third-party app to do posts for you, to do any type of social media, or anything like that for you on your behalf, and you're not using that application, that company still has access to your account until you revoke that access or change their passwords. So know that changing your password is critical to prevent people from hacking your accounts. I can guarantee you there's probably people out there who say they changed their passwords but have passwords for certain applications that they haven't changed in years. So again, change those passwords. This has been another OndaWire tech tip in under 2 minutes. I'm out.